Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna cook delicious pork Hock Adobo. You have to put in oil, heat a pan, and then we have 3 cloves minced garlic. We're gonna have to put the red onions. So while doing this process, before I saute all this, I boiled first the pork hocks, and I throw it away the water that I use for the boiling. And we have the pork hocks. So we have to make sure that we're gonna have to cook this soft and tender for like an hour. Put some pepper and all-in-one seasoning. I also added some garlic powder to make it more garlicky. Then we have the Worcestershire sauce. I always use this kind of sauce every time I cook something. And we had a soy sauce. I put 4 tablespoons. So we have to simmer, mix it well. Make sure that pork hocks is evenly coated with the soy sauce or the sauce itself. Then after that, we have to put the broth. I use the Knorr broth and cover, and then that's after like 30 minutes. Make sure you wait until it's gonna be soft and tender or it all dries up. Then we still need another 30 minutes to cook this. Once it's soft and tender, I'm gonna put some brown sugar, like 1 or 2 tablespoons. And then some apple cider vinegar. I use the organic. And every now and then you have to make sure you check the taste. If you want to add some more soy sauce or anything that makes it more tastier. And here's my final product of this recipe. It's so simple, quick and easy. The pork Hock Adobo. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Comment down below and leave your suggestions what I'm gonna cook next. Thank you so much. Here's my pork Hock Adobo.